Smart design features to make your small Central Maryland home feel spacious. You know, downsizing your home doesn't mean you have to live in a cramped space. In fact, smart design features can make your small home feel even more spacious. When you're shopping for homes, here are some of the features to look up for or to look out for and to avoid. For example, multi-purpose rooms make the most of limited square footage. That's a thumb up. But unnecessary hallways can eat up precious space, and that's a thumbs down. Large windows draw in light and add a spacious feel. Thumbs up. While awkward corners and unusable nooks can disrupt the flow of the house, and that's a thumb down. If you want more tips on living large in a smaller home, just click on the link in the caption below to read our latest blog or go to www.mdrprosblog.com. My name is Mark Hewitt and I'm with Maryland Real Estate Professionals and RE/MAX Realty Plus, and we have Central Maryland covered. Hakuna Matata, it means no worries for all your real estate days. Hundreds of Maryland home buyers and home sellers have trusted myself and the Maryland Real Estate Professional team with their most valuable negotiations, their homes. We look forward to earning your trust as well. Have a great week. I look forward to talking to you soon. Take care.